There's betrayal from your workplace. Everyone that championed free speech has suddenly become a McCarthyist. All of the terms that were used to say that students should have the freedom to study, learn, and write, and organize, and all of the protections that are supposed to exist for employees and workers and staff, when it comes to holding moral positions, all of that goes out the window. And there's a sense of betrayal. Where did that come from? I didn't see that coming. And then there's the betrayal that's felt at a local level. Some of you have friends and maybe even family members that you see online all of a sudden, and they are posting things that absolutely devastate you. You can't believe that this person that you've had lunch with, that you've spent a lot of time with, that seemed like someone who was such a nice person, who cared so much about your feeling welcomed as a Muslim in this country, posting so openly about their disdain for the Palestinian people and their disregard for the children of Palestine.